um, I had a lot of fun last night. Cause you had a good time. It was fun for me. Whatever. Anyway, I have to go play basketball with some buddies.
Yeah, I have to knit scarves with the other army wives.
Cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
Do you want my number? Or...
I'm just gonna leave it all up to chance, you know? I think I got a $5 bill. You seen Serendipity?
That's a solid reference, man.